Hello everyone, this is Raj from Radical TechArt, your process automation strategist. Today, we are going to talk about Temtop PMD 331 particle counter. This is very professional handheld particle counter. It is mainly used for checking airborne particles in clean rooms, pharma areas, labs, HVAC system, hospitals, electronics manufacturing, and indoor air quality inspection. Normally, many air quality monitors shows only PM 2.5 or PM 10 value. But in these professional applications, only PM 2.5 value is not enough. Sometimes we need to know the actual particle count in different particle sizes. And for that type of detailed particle monitoring, we use a particle counter like Temtop PMD 331. PMD 331 can measure particles in 7 different size channels. It can detect 0.3 micron, 0.5 micron, even 0.7 micron, also 1 micron and 2.5 and up to 10 micron particles we can see. So it helps the users to understand how clean the air is in a particular area. Let's understand why particle counting is very important. In many industries, small dust particles can affect product quality. In pharma, particles can affect cleanliness. In electronics manufacturing, dust can affect sensitive components. And in HVAC system, particle counting helps to check filter performance and air cleanliness. So, when we want professional level of air monitoring, a normal air quality meter is not always enough. We need a particle counter that can show particle count size-wise. And that is where PMD 331 becomes very useful. Now, let's understand the working principle of this instrument. Temtop PMD 331 works on the light scattering technique. Inside the instrument, air is pulled through the sensor with the help of an internal pump. When air passes through the laser light path, the particles present in the air scatter the light. The sensor detects this scattered light. Based on the scattered light signal, the instrument calculates the particle count and classifies it according to particle size. So, in simple words, the instrument takes an air sample. Then laser light detects particles. Then the sensor counts the particles. And finally, the result is displayed on the screen. Now let's talk about the key features. The first feature is that it is a handheld particle counter. So it is easy to carry and easy to use at different locations. Second, it measures 7 particle sizes from 0.3 micron to 10 micron. Third, it has 4-inch TFT LCD display. So the readings are easy to see. And the fourth, it supports data storage and data export also. So users can save readings and use the data later for reporting or analysis. Fifth, it has USB and RS485 communication options. USB is useful for data export. RS485 can be useful for communication and integration. And sixth, it supports calibration related functions like zero calibration and flow calibration. This helps to maintain better reliability during long-term use. Now, let's quickly understand the important specifications. The particle size channels are 0.3 micron to 10 microns. The flow rate is 2.83 liters per minute. The sampling time can be set from 3 seconds to 60 seconds. And the measurement principle is light scattering technique. The display is 4-inch TFT LCD screen and the charging time is around 3.5 hours. And operating time is around 8 hours of continuous operation. So it is suitable for field inspection as well as regular air quality checking. Now, let's understand how to operate this PMD 331. First, fully charge the instrument before use. The charging port is available on the side of the instrument. After charging, press and hold the power button for around 2 seconds. The instrument will turn on and show the main screen. After that, go to the menu. In the menu, you can set the sample unit, sample time and sample mode. Sample time can be selected between 3 seconds and 60 seconds. And sample mode can be manual or continuous. For normal checking, and manual mode is useful. And for repeated monitoring, continuous mode can be useful. Now, let's talk about the data export. If you want to use the stored data on a computer, you can export the history data using USB. Insert the USB drive into the instrument, go to the history, download option, start the download process, and after export, connect the USB drive to your computer. You can use the exported data for the analysis, reporting, or documentation. This is useful for cleanroom reports, HVAC inspection reports, and air quality monitoring records. Now, let's understand calibration and maintenance. For better reliability, regular calibration is very important. The PMD 331 supports zero calibration and flow calibration. Zero calibration helps to check the instruments with clean filter air, and flow calibration helps to maintain the correct flow rate up to 0.83 liters per minute. As per particle use, zero calibration should be done regularly, especially after the long use or when the operation environment changes. And flow calibration should also be checked periodically. For critical applications like clean rooms or pharma, calibration should always be done as per the official manual and company SOP. Now, let's talk about where this product can be used. PMD 331 is useful for clean room particles monitoring, pharma manufacturing areas, labs, HVAC system checking, hospitals, electronics manufacturing, indoor air quality inspection, air purifying testing, facility maintenance, and control production areas. Basically, wherever air cleanliness matters, this type of particle counter can be very useful. So let's take one practical example. Suppose a pharma company wants to check the cleanliness of a room. Only temperature, humidity checking is not enough. They need to know how many particles are present in the air. Using PMD 331, the engineer can check particles at different sizes like 0.3 micron to 10 micron. This gives a better understanding of air cleanliness, and based on this data, the team can check whether the area is suitable for required application or not. Now, who should buy this product? This is very important. This product is suitable for pharma companies, clean rooms, HVAC contractors, labs, hospitals, facility management, air quality professional, industrial safety teams, and validation teams. If your requirement is only basic PM 2.5 checking, then a simple air quality monitor may be enough. But if your requirement is professional particle counting with multiple particle size channels, then this PMD 331 can be a suitable model for you. So, this was a quick overview of Temtop PMD 331 particle counter. It is a very professional handheld particle counter with 7 particle size channels, large display, data storage, USB export, RS-485 communication, and calibration functions. It is very useful for clean rooms, pharma, HVAC, labs, hospitals, and industrial air cleanliness monitoring. For product details or technical selection support, you can always contact us. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.